Alright, y'all, so a new update just got released on the Galaxy Watch 4, and it is a major one, and no doubt one of the features that I've personally been looking forward to since I got this watch, and that is the What Up Squad. It's your boy CKid here, y'all. And before we actually get into these two new features that recently just got added to the Watch 4, I just want to say shout out to all of y'all, man, that's been rocking with the channel so far, dropping likes on these videos, watching these videos, and all of that, because the last video that we just did, man, y'all ran it up 14K views in just a couple days. Crazy. Appreciate y'all, man. And also, special shout out to all the ones out there that hopped into the raffle, because I am giving away 3 brand new Galaxy Watch 4 to 3 lucky people out there, man. So if you guys want to be a part of this, all you got to do is head on over to CKidraffles.com, because I'm going to be giving these bad boys away, and I'm doing it on a live stream right here on the channel, and I'm going to be calling y'all, and we're going to be hanging out. This is going to be a super dope time. Now, that's going to be on May 4th, which is my birthday. Again, shout out to all my Tauruses out there. It's our season. Anyway, if you guys want to get your chance to get in on this and win one of these 3 Galaxy Watch 4s that I'm giving away, all you guys got to do is head on over to CKidraffles.com, buy your $1, your $5, or your $10 entry tickets. It's super cheap. Look at me. I'm super cheap. They running away already, y'all. But anyway, man, get in on this, and y'all, literally, it's only $1. I wanted everybody to be able to get in on this, so let's run it up. Let's get it. Now, let's go ahead and break down these 2 features that just got introduced on our Watch 4s. Now, the first one that I have up here that I've been waiting for, and that is the ability to back up and restore your watch onto a new phone using Smart Switch. So before, when you actually wanted to go from Android device to another device with your Watch 4, you legit had to delete all your data off of your watch, then unpair it from one smartphone, then reconnect it to another one, and then it was just a whole headache, and then you had to go back and just manually set up everything back onto the watch how you had it. It was just annoying and frustrating, y'all. And as a person that switched phones from time to time, I want my Galaxy Watch 4 to actually move with me to the next phone without me having to manually reset up everything. I just want the process to be smooth. But unfortunately, y'all, that wasn't the case before this recent update. Well, now your data is being backed up using Smart Switch, and now when you guys actually switch to a new phone, to this phone right here, whatever Android you got, you can actually use Smart Switch on your phone to restore your entire watch experience with just the press of a button, y'all. Now, this is a feature that I personally think should have been on here from jump, but either way, y'all, I'm glad they finally added, and yeah, I'm definitely gonna be using it for sure, because I got some fire custom watch faces on here, man. Y'all already know my watch face series. If you don't, you can check that out right up here. Now, the next feature, y'all, is going to be for my people out there that's been rocking with the body composition feature. So if you're not sure what that is, basically it measures like things like your body fat or your skeletal muscle mass, and then just a bunch of other things that it measures and report those numbers back to you. So that way you can see what your body composition is looking like out here. Now, in there, you can actually set your health body composition goals and all of that to just kind of the things that you want to achieve. But for some reason, there really wasn't a way to measure how you guys were actually doing, or if you were close to your goals and all of that. Well, now there is a new button called Measure that was recently added with this update that's now allowing you guys to be able to check your progress towards your goals, which is actually really dope. But again, should have been there from jump. Now, again, this isn't like an update that we've been waiting for. I know, since we all have been waiting on that one feature, which is Google Assistant, and that is coming, y'all, because I just did a video talking about that right here. If you guys want to check that out, it is right up here on the screen. I'll see y'all over there. SQAUD.